So most welcome everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Python list. We will learn everything about the list one by one in a sequence. So first of all, what is the list? Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Actually, list will be a variable and we will add the multiple item in this list. So take a list. First of all, let's know how to write a list. First of all, you have to name the list as a variable. You know already how a variable format will be. Then we will use a bracket as it is syntax based language, so the bracket is so necessary for this. And now I have added the values that will actually added in the list or my data. You can also, but this format I written is totally wrong because this is not right. For this we have to add a comma in between all the values, then it will okay. So now the list is okay. So in this list you can see that they all are number because we have write a list integer type. They can also be floating type, they can also be string type. Let's know how a string type list will be. Then the same rule, we named the list, we added the value, but there is no difference between this and this. And this is also error because this is a string, and when you want to write a string there will be a quotes. Okay, so I have added the quotes here. It can be single or double quotes, there is no problem. Now there are two lists and all are okay. This is a list, integer list, and this is a list in string list. Okay, fine. So let's try to know the characteristics of list. The characteristics means is there ordered or non-ordered. Can I make duplicate items here? Okay, then it can be can I add, remove, or update anytime. So if we want to know the character of Python list, there is three character. One is order, another is changeable, and allow duplicates. Okay, split orders means items have a fixed position. It's we'll define this as an index number. We will talk it about later. Then we have the changeable. This is you can add, remove, or update anything. That's called the characteristics of changeable. And allow duplicate means same value can appear multiple times. For this, you can see that in this list I have added 1 and 2 for double times. 12 and 12, there is 2 12, they are both are used for 2 times. So we can, this is proof that we can easily multiply values. For ordered, it means that everything they have a sequence or they have a specific position. Position means their position also have a name. Let's discuss this in more details. So I have taken the list again, and in this sequence I will naming them. So it's normal that this will be 1 2 3 4, but not this. Here the first value is known as 0, then the second one is 1 2, and at last there is 12 value and it's counted until the 11. Not only like this, we can also count this at opposite direction. In opposite direction this is not like 0 1 2, then there will there's something different, like they are mentioned at minus value or negative value. You can think that so this will be 0, this will be -1, not actually. Then this 0 will be same. Okay, so it started with -1, then -2, and started as is. Oh, and there is 12 value, it's coming to a -12. So this is about our list. Okay, fine. There are also something we have to learn in this list. Let's go to the our Jupyter notebook. Here I am going to write a list. So not list actually, keyword. Okay, write a list. Name list1 is equal to, use the brackets and data 1 2 3 4 as like you go. Okay. Now if I print actually which type of data is, you know actually how to know the types of a variable. So we will print this list1 and you can see that this is a list. Okay, if we want to print the list, it will like 1. So this is our list. Okay, fine. Now we will learn some attributes in this list. First of all, you should learn actually. Suppose there's a used long data. How you can know that how much data, how much value they have. Okay, you can count the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But it's not possible for long data. That's why we will do this. We will type print. This is not for the first time. We have already used it in string function, where you will type len and then we can type here the list name. Actually, this line, this len attribute actually helps us to count how much character we have. So if we print, there is 11 character in our data. Okay, fine. Now I have already used it what is ordered in there. I have tell that there is some index number. Suppose as if I want to print data 657. If I want to print data 657, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the number of 3. So how can we print it? To know an index number, how we can do is we type print. Let's not type it. We have print, then the bracket, then we have to name the list. So my list name is list 1. Okay, then we have to give a bracket again, and now you will give the index number 0, 1, 2, 3. If I give a 3 or the here the index number, if you now you will do same whatever, this will show that actually I had the basics is to 1, then I have bracket, and I have written this is 3 print. So you can see that this is 657, the number is already came. Close check with a negative value. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. 5 is in the -4 position. Let's type here -4. Okay, this is 5. This came. Okay, we can do it easily. So let's do it for my next part. Thank you.